There are about 5 miles to go to Everest Lake.
5 miles? There are blisters on my feet. I can't walk anymore.
There are bandages in my backpack. You need them? Now, let's see. There are 2 different paths on the map. There is part along the river and there's another through the forest.
Let's take the forest path. There are beautiful trees, interesting animals in the forest. There are also bugs in the forest. Oh, Gil, this is a beautiful. Hi, but why you look so unhappy? I guess I'm just hungry and tired. Oh, is there a good friend for us to our lunch?
Why don't we take the path along the river and stop for lunch on the way? There isn't any water in our canteens, so we can fill them up at the river.
That sounds like a good plan.
Look, that's the deer. Where? Behind the tree. And look, there are 2 more over there.
Gil, I don't believe it. Is there a smile on your face?
Maybe just a small one.